I was a patient type of girl, didn't ask for much, always waited for a while. I had a very fragile heart, and it never took a lot to make me smile. I was so lonely at times, but I always seemed to sleep it all away until that very special night when I met a man who was in my life to stay right by my side. This was no ordinary guy. I never knew this man before, but he's the one that I adore. He supplied my every need, always there to comfort me. I can't explain what this feels like to have him in my life. We've been together for a while, and he eases all my heartaches and my pain. He helps me go that extra mile, helps me see the sun in spite of all the rain. And when my burdens get heavy, he carries the load like a man should. He keeps his promises to me. For he is not a man that he should not prove anything. All the blessings that he brings are just a token of his love. He's given down from above. I'm not ashamed to let you know that's just how much I love him so. I can't explain what this feels like to have him. Uh oh, did I forget to tell you that he saved my soul? To do the same for you if you will just let go. And he promised he will never let you down. Now you understand what a wonderful man I found. And he's so good to me.